Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna teach you and show you how to print the electric plated assorted Christmas ball. As you can see, it contains 5 colors which equipped with a set of aluminum sheet. Okay then, let's see what we need. Okay, and I'm gonna introduce this stuff that we're gonna utilize during the process. First one, of course, is our Christmas ball with aluminum sheet, print paper, and high heat resistant tape, and a glove for protecting ourselves. Okay, that's it. Let's get started. Before we get started, guys, we need to set the temperature and the time to the 180 Celsius degree and 45 seconds respectively. Firstly, tear off the film of the aluminum sheet and combine with print paper. Fix it with high heat resistant tapes in order to make the print paper in right position and direction that we want. Then cover with Teflon sheet. Wear the heat resistant glove before uncover the sheet and paper. Also, tear off the adhesive film of the Christmas ball. Glue the printing sheet of aluminum to the Christmas ball. Let's see the printing result. What an exquisite Christmas ball!